Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Here are the 10 things you need to check before dogs listing. You need to check these things out. So guys, the number one thing you have to check if you know how to trade. So guys, if you don't know how to trade, if you don't know how to sell your dogs coin, what you have to do is that after you're done watching this video, just go over to the description of this video. You're going to see a link there. Tap on the link. They'll be able to watch and learn how you can actually trade or sell your dogs coin. So guys, now the number two thing you have to check is check your phone battery. Check if your phone battery is low. If it is low, make sure you power it. So guys, the number three thing you need to check is your data subscription. Check if you actually have sufficient data subscription. If you don't have, what you have to do is to get data bundle so that you can be able to carry out the selling of your dogs. You need data. So guys, the number four thing you need to check is check if your phone is lagging. If your phone is lagging, what you have to do is to free up your phone, free up some space, free up some storage space in your phone by deleting some unwanted or irrelevant content. So guys, what you have to do is to free up your storage space, clear your caches and the rest of them. So guys, now the number five thing that you need to do is you have to log in into the exchange you're using 10 minutes ahead of the listing time. Make sure you're already logged in into the exchange that you're going to use to actually sell your dogs coin 10 minutes ahead of the listing time. So guys, that will help you. So guys, now the number six thing you need to do is to check if your do not disturb mode is turned on. So guys, you have to turn it on when you're actually doing your transaction on your exchange so that nobody will be able to disturb you with any form of messages or phone calls or even notifications from your social media platforms. So guys, make sure you turn your do not disturb mode. Then after the whole transaction, you can actually turn it off. So guys, the number 8 thing you need to do is that you have to check if you're going to have the time to actually do this trading as at the time the listing is going to be happening live. So guys, you have to check it out. Make sure you create out time for it. So I guess it's about 1 p.m. Around the African time. So guys, make sure you check out if you actually have time so that you can be able to trade your dogs coin as at when due. And also guys, concerning the timing, what you have to do is to take your time when you're doing this trade so that you don't make any mistake. Look at the currencies very well so that you don't mistake it for any other one. So guys, be sure of that. So guys, the number 9 thing you need to check out is check out if you actually have all the information that you need to actually carry out this trading successfully. You have to check out if you actually have all the important information, all the relevant information. Then finally, the number 10 thing you need to check out is you have to check out on me. So guys, make sure you check out on me. Make sure you actually remember me in your paradise. So guys, I'm always going to be here to receive your goodies and your kind gestures. So guys, now I'll be able now to show you guys the 10 things that you need to check out before you actually go ahead to trade your dogs when the listing starts. So guys, now see you in the next upload. Bye. Peace.